Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ATA. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakout from this big down channel, and on the daily time frame chart, ATA has formed this ascending triangle and this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that ATA formed a very long-term down channel. It was entered the channel here in September 2021 and found the resistance in the month of November 2021, and recently it has broken out the resistance of this down channel in the month of August 2022, but could not continue its move to the upside. And by the way, this was the recent swing low before this breakout that we had here at 12.5 cents, and you can see this level is also working as a key support for the price line, and ATA is also forming a huge double bottom at this support. And after the breakout from this resistance of the channel, the price line again tested this support, and now it is again gearing up. This will be, by the way, our key resistance that we have at 34 cents. And during this move to the downside inside this down channel, it has also formed a very huge and harmonic bullish reversal setup on the monthly time frame chart that I've already shared with my members in the month of June 2022, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal regardless setup. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, our sell targets are from $1.05 and goes to $1.68. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone at this very strong support that we have at 12 cents, 12.5 cents. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here it has formed this ascending triangle. Even though we had a long spike here, but so far you can see, even after several attempts and several touch points, we are not able to break out this horizontal resistance of this ascending triangle. And we have few touch points here and few touch points here as well. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down the support of this triangle, then in case of breakdown, our target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 10.98 or 11 cents. And in that situation, in my point of view, we can test this support of 12.5 cents, and we will not break down the support. For example, if the price line breaks down the support, then this previous resistance of the channel can work as a support for the price line. But so far you can see that even in the history of ATA, the price line did not break down the support of 12.5 cents. Therefore, I'm expecting that the price line will not break it down. Now, for example, if we break out this resistance of the triangle, then our target to the upside can be approximately at 22 cents. And in that situation, we will be very close to this key resistance of 34 cents. And for example, once the price line will be able to break it out, because we have already broken out a big channel, and our target for this breakout from this big channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $1.80. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.